Once again, we are back with an editing tutorial on Adobe Lightroom on mobile. First of all, we have to set the light gradient. See how light gradient is set, lowering the dark patches and the highlights too. Now we select the profile. Most probably, I go step by step. That's everything. I like modern profiles more than anything. You can select any of them, but I like modern profiles. So now we have selected the profile and adjusted it according to the picture. Now we will go to the light section. Adjusting some contrast, the highlights, the whites and shadows, everything. You can see the change. You can hide the thing with shadows. Now blacks are also set. So we will just go to the color part, color grading part. You can see that when I increase the temperature, it becomes more warm picture. When I decrease it, becomes very bluish type in shade. Now going to the separate color part and adjusting the color according to my need, saturation, hue and their luminance. You can see you can make sky of your own color with this app. Okay, so adjusting the grass color to the way I like it. You can adjust it any color you want with the app. Okay, so see how good it looks when we have vibrant colors than having dull colors in the actual picture. So color grading part is almost done. We'll make the colors more vibrant now and a little bit less saturated so it looks more attractive. Now going to the clarity and dehaze part. Dehaze is something that when there's a lot of gusty wind type of thing coming in front of your lens and making it go hazy. So we can use the dehazer. Putting the vignette effect is necessary to make pictures look more cinematic and focused. Now detailing part is almost done on raw pictures when you import them in your mobile Lightroom. So we don't have to do much about it. And, and by masking we can reduce the light parts of picture. So we are almost done with the things. You can see picture, the original picture and the difference. Lens profile correction is also done on raw pictures when you import them. Thank you for watching our video and do like, subscribe and share our channel for more such videos.